was recording my video about watering my lawn that I talked about in my last video, and after I mowed and preparing stuff, I noticed some fungus areas in my yard. I don't really know what they are, so I'll go ahead and show some footage of what that looks like. So I need to go ahead and find my fungicide in here, so give me just 1 second here. Fungicide, nope. There we go. Fungus control for lawns. So, to treat the fungus in my yard, I'm going to be using this BioAdvanced Fungus Control for lawns. The active ingredient is Propiconazole. You want to go ahead and mix the versions, like if you're doing multiple fungicides treatments in the year, you want to mix it up. I don't remember what the Scotch DiseaseEx, I don't remember what the active ingredient is in that, but it wasn't Propiconazole, so I'm using the Propiconazole here, and I also went granular for that first application and liquid here in the second application. This covers 5,000 square feet, and it controls brown patch, dollar spot, rusts, summer patch, and other listed diseases, with it being covering 5,000 square feet. And it's 32 fluid ounces it covers. You want to use 6.4 fluid ounces per 1,000 square feet. And in my previous videos, there are a lot of questions about watering after you use it. You really just want it to sit there, but it does say that rain or watering after spray has dried will not wash away effectiveness. Do not apply when temperatures are greater than 85 degrees, as injury to lawn may occur. It's about 8:30, 9 o'clock now, so we're not 85 degrees and it's gonna sit overnight, so it'll be fine. And then it says somewhere on here, it's like, yeah, it should take 5 to 6 minutes to empty the container over the treatment area. It doesn't take, there's a time somewhere on here about how long it takes usually to dry, so just pay attention to that. I have it marked here at the halfway mark. So my total lawn square footage is 3,500. The main lawn is 2,500. So I want to use half this bottle, so I've marked that here on the main yard, and then about 1/3 of the remainder on the strip, so it's about 1,000 square feet. Other than that, that's pretty much it. Ooh, got a little bit of leakage in the bottle here. Anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and get changed, put some proper clothes on, wearing shorts, no gloves, and I'm gonna go ahead and get to spraying. So, a bit of an error. As I said, this bottle treats up to 5,000 square feet. My entire front lawn, that's between the main lawn and the strip, is 3,500 square feet. And I don't know how well you can see that there. I emptied the entire bottle. I don't know what kind of damage this is gonna do, if any damage at all. It should definitely at least kill the fungus, right? It got overly chemicaled. So my plan is, so because it's nighttime, I'm not gonna worry about watering it right now. My normal cycle is in the morning anyway, so I'm just gonna water it in like I normally do in the morning and hope that takes care of it. I'm gonna apply some light fertilizer on it this week as well and see if that does, but we're just gonna see over the next few days, and you're gonna see this in upcoming videos, if over applying this BioAdvanced Fungus Control for lawns does any damage, because I honestly do not know. So anyway, like I said, hopefully this takes care of at least the fungus issues, and you know, that we don't have to buy a bunch more grass seed. Although if I kill my entire lawn, then I have to buy a bunch of grass seed anyway. So that is it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Please like, subscribe, comment below. You know, have you used this BioAdvanced Fungus Control? I don't know if it was just this bottle was defective, but I don't know how we can tell by the end of me spraying. I was soaked because it was just the washer that's in here, the gasket is gone, so water was spraying out, it's leaking everywhere, so maybe that has an issue why I use this entire bottle. I don't know. Have you had that issue as well? But anyway, I'll see you all in the next video. Have a fantastic rest of your day, and God bless.